Hello everyone, this is Lolly. I am going to share a flip through of my Traveler's Notebook. You know, I've been doing a series on this, and this is my Fairy Traveler's Notebook series. And so I want to, now that I've done all the tutorials in it, do a flip book of the whole thing together to show you what it's like. I think there were so far a total of 15 videos in the series. This is a leather Pell Studio Traveler's Notebook, and it is in the link down below. The size is a personal wide meaning that there is a wider spine to hold more inserts. There it is on the top right there. I have actually another paper clip that's not in here. As part of my tutorial, I showed how to make charms for the cover, how to make charms for the dangly, and let's get started here. And I also showed in my tutorials how to make your own covers so you don't have to use the leather. Now, I do notice there is an orange mark that came when I purchased this. I haven't tried to figure out how to clean that off yet. So in the front pocket, we have the flat pin that I made for the pockets, and there is a tutorial on that. I shared a tutorial on this insert, which is me coloring this stamp. And this is a insert that I made. And this one, I used the stickers from the Graphic 45 collection by putting one on front and one on back to make tabs like that. They're really cute. There is a page marker right there that I made as well with a dragonfly hanging from the bottom. In the middle of this insert is a checkbook cover that I transformed into a shaker pocket and a pocket with two pockets, one here and one in here. And this is a dashboard. And this is the end of that first insert which I made. This is the second insert, which was one I had purchased from Etsy and also using for taking notes. And this is the writing surface that I also have a video on doing that. And this one also has this one also has another page marker in it here with another dragonfly, and I showed you making that. And I made another tab on this one, and this is also two stickers back to back from the collection. And that is the end of that one signature there. This is the not signature, the insert. This one is not necessarily an insert of a notebook. This one is two cardstock pocket holders that I made. So this is the first one. There's a pocket there, pocket here, and this is the second one, pocket here, pocket here. So by putting two of those together, I have 8 pockets right now in that section, and they take up one elastic just by themselves. And then I have a tutorial on making this insert here, which is making one from scratch. I used the dot paper. I have a tutorial on making the paper clip right there, and like I said, I do have another one. It's just not in my notebook at the moment. And in the center of this one, I have another one of my shakers made with the checkbook cover. And also it has the 2 pockets here, a little dashboard, and this is a a punch out pocket from the collection. This is the end of that one insert. This is another, it's supposed to be a writing surface, but this one is bumpy, so I don't use it for writing, but it is a page marker, so it can keep track of where I am, and it has a pen loop on it right here, which I also have a tutorial on how to do that. This is another flat pen. And I've made 2 more, by the way, which are in my tutorial but are not in my notebook. And this is just a really cute laminated card that says Believe in Magic, and that is from the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust collection, like all of this is. So that is 4 elastics taken up with 4 inserts right now. And I still could go a little bigger. If I put this up to the camera, I've still got some room in here. And so I did show also on my one of the tutorials, the one I did on how to make the insert, I showed how you can use 1 elastic to put 2 inserts together in that 1 elastic. So if I should decide that I would like to put another insert in here, I can attach it on the same elastic that this one is in there, and that way it would be even more full. So I have been so thrilled with making this fairy traveler's notebook. I just love how it's come together, and it has been such a pleasure. Thank you all for watching and following along all this time. It's been a real joy, and I just love the charms at the bottom, the charms here. This one was a joy to make too. So anyway, make sure you look at the links down below this video, and I will have in there the link to the entire playlist so you can look at them all, because even if you don't do traveler's notebooks, I think there's plenty in here that you can enjoy and follow along with. Thank you again for watching, for thumbs up, and for subscribing.